Hello children, today we will be looking at entrepreneurial skills session 2. So let's start. Session 2 is about demonstrate the knowledge of distinguished characteristic of entrepreneurship. Then who is an entrepreneur? Entrepreneur is a somebody who sees a new opportunities and creates a business to exploit it. And entrepreneurship is the act of setting up a business, processes, or services and taking on financial risk with the goal of earning some profit. In other words, we can say that the entrepreneur is a person and the entrepreneurship is the process and the enterprise is the outcome. Let's learn entrepreneurship development. Entrepreneurship development is the process of improving the skills and knowledge of entrepreneurs through various training and classroom programs that teach the dynamics of business setup, development, and expansion of the enterprise. What are the stages in entrepreneurship development process? An entrepreneur must find, evaluate, and develop an opportunity by overcoming the challenges that comes in the way of starting new business ventures. What are the factors that affect entrepreneurship growth? Entrepreneurship growth is affected by the following factors: economic factors, social factor, cultural factors, and personality factors. In that, economic factor. Economic environment has direct and immediate influence on entrepreneurship. People often turn to entrepreneur when jobs are not easily available or because there is an opportunity for growth. Then how economic factor that affect the growth of entrepreneurship? Capital. It is the one of the most important factor for the establishment of an enterprise. Entrepreneurship activity becomes easier when there is availability of funds for investment. Labor. Labor is the most important factor of economic condition of entrepreneurship. It appears that the labor problem can't protect entrepreneurship from emerging. Raw material. Without raw material, business can't be started because production isn't possible. And without sufficient supply of raw material, no industry can function properly. Other factors, the institution, government policies, business, schools and libraries also that makes valuable contribution towards promoting and sustaining entrepreneurship. Social factor. Social factors affect the entrepreneurial behavior of people. The social factors that influence the growth of entrepreneurial are social mobility, family background, education, attitude of the society, cultural value. Psychological factors. Your state of mind will play a big part in how you perform. There are three main factors to consider: what motivates you, how aroused you are, your ability to concentrate, and your personality. Also need for achievements, loss of status. The people who are displaced from their native place due to the conflict or political disturbance and migrate to new place. Those people may turn into entrepreneurs and takes up new ventures for living. Now let's see what are the characteristics of entrepreneurship. The entrepreneur do not have any age limit. They may be youngsters. They may be formally educated or self-educated. They may be male or female. They may belong to any country or background. But all entrepreneurs have one characteristic in common. They recognize business opportunities more quickly than others and are not afraid to take risks and bold decisions, and they work hard. They are problem solvers with excellent communication skills. Characteristics of entrepreneurship are as follows: creative, leadership, goal oriented, innovative, team building, risk taker, dynamic process, so on. Then what are the role of entrepreneurship? Persons who have good entrepreneurial characteristics must go for it because our country and our people who are unemployed can benefit from this opportunity. Entrepreneurship has an important role in context of developing nation like India, which is confronted with major socio-economic problems. Here are some important roles of an entrepreneur: community development, exports, standard of living, GDP and per capita income, balanced regional development, create job, wealth creation and sharing. Next, rewards of entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurs treat problems that comes in life as opportunities that helps to create a product or service. Here are some rewards of entrepreneurship are: being the boss. This is the main reason people become entrepreneurs. Doing what you enjoy. There is a saying that if you want to be happy with the profession, do what you love or love what you do. As an entrepreneur, you are bound to enjoy every moment of your journey. Having opportunity to be creative. Entrepreneurs are creative persons. The problems can be solved if one can think differently from others. Building an enterprise. Building an enterprise is a very rewarding achievement. The person who creates it understands the glory. Develop your schedule. As you are the boss, you are in charge of deciding when you want to work instead of boring 9 to 5 setup. You are able to have more freedom. It's not that you are doing less work, but rather than that, you are able to choose when you want to work in order to accommodate other activities in your life.